If you have a B2B SaaS product and you'd like to know what your accounts and your users are doing in your app, and maybe you feel like you're flying blind without that data, even though maybe you have an analytics tool already in place, Accoil Analytics can help. Hi, I'm Peter Preston, one of the co-founders at Accoil Analytics. Let me show you how Accoil can help you measure engagement and drive revenue for your products. Where Accoil really shines is in the engagement scoring. It helps you pick and choose the events or actions that users take within your product and assign a weight to them on a scale of 0 to 10. And what you end up with is a bunch of math in the background, but health scores that you can see at a glance which accounts are healthy and which ones might need a bit of help. Once you've set up your scoring, you can then create profiles to monitor and engage with different segments of your customer base. You've created scores and you've created profiles. Let's have a look at what this actually means. We're going to look at some accounts here. And first thing I want to point out is the engagement score. Parcel Champ here, 93, looking good. Scroll on down to Big Data View. They're at an 11. They could probably use your help to get more value out of the product. And let's be honest, stick around and keep paying you. If we look at Parcel Champion more closely, you'll see you can get a lot more information, engagement, adoption, frequency, active users, all that good stuff. And speaking of users, here's where it gets fun. You can scroll down here and see who in particular at these companies are driving these engagement scores. You can see that Wayne here is doing great. He's in there all the time and he's highly engaged. However, Andres down here may need a nudge. Insights are most valuable when you act on them. And that's where actions inside Accoil comes into play. Let customer success know when there's a churn risk. Let sales know when there's an account that's ready to convert. Let the marketing team know how they can improve the onboarding to convert more customers from free trials into paying accounts. You can do all that by connecting up the tools that you probably already use, like Slack, HubSpot, Intercom, and more. At Accoil, we believe that your data should work just as hard as you do, but you should not have to work so hard to get the data out. And you certainly don't need the headaches, the big invoices, and all the baggage that come with a lot of the product analytics tools on the market today.